Stress causes chest pain, tachycardia. Similarly, at the time of increased stress, your heart rate might increase, and the force of your heartbeat might be stronger. All of this, combined with the dense in your chest muscles, can cause you to feel unusual pain. Traffic jams. When we go home after a long day at the work, we want to hit the sun as possible, not get stuck for 1 hour in the traffic. Death of a family member. The loss of a loved one can generate too many negative thoughts that end up producing stress. Competitiveness. In the sector of your friends, it's very common to compete for who is the best at that. Something that can generate stress if we are not the best of anything, for example. School overload. Having too many papers and exams to do, but not enough time, can have results that determine the strength of a person. Unemployment. Not having a job can generate stress because it is economic necessity that will cause you a very weak health.